Hello, today we're gonna make a rice envelope for Father's Day. We need a 4A paper and a marker. We will fold in half. We will unfold it. We will take this edge and this edge. They will line it to the middle. Now we will do the same thing on the other side. Now we'll take this edge and this edge, we're going to line to the middle. Now we'll take this corner and this corner and bring it to here. We will flip here. We will write a message. Now we will take this edge and we're gonna bring it to here. And this one down. Bring it fold back. Take this edge down and we will take this corner and this corner, we're gonna bring it in here and this one in here. And now here we will write Happy Father's Day. And here we will write O and a down arrow. And here we go, we made a surprise envelope for Father's Day. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.